Ideaspring Capital, which has been promoted by the likes of Mohandas Pai, the Patni, scions, as well as angel investor Naganand Doraswamy. Rahul Dharma caught up with the key investors in this fund to find out about the corpus and also the areas that they will be investing in going forward.
Yeah, so we have been in the startup ecosystem for the past 8 to 10 years in India and been part of various organizations, TIE, NASSCOM and iSpirit. And what we realized was, specifically for very early stage product startups, there are not that many people who understood what it would take to kind of back entrepreneurs or fund entrepreneurs. And we saw that, and hence the number of products, the companies coming out of India in startups was very minimal.
Also, if you could break it down in terms of what's the corpus size of this fund, and also, in terms of Series A, pre-series, how would you be investing in startups?
Sure. So our fund is 125 crore Indian rupees. What we want to do is, because we are an early stage fund, we want to put about 50 crores in seed stage. But obviously, to give good returns to our LPs, we want to participate in the pre-series A, Series A, and we have allocated another 50 crores for participation in pre-series Series A. And then we have some that is left over for fund management and for any bridge that we might want to see.
How many startups will you be investing? In a year, how many startups do you plan to invest, say, by the end of this year?
Correct. So we are looking at investing in 4 to 6 startups in a year, mostly because, as I said, we have a startup assist program where we want to work very closely with the startups. So 4 to 6 is what we are looking at. So we want to do the seed stage in the next 3 years, and then in the next 18 months, we hopefully will start doing follow-up rounds. Yeah.
Also, what will really be the differentiator as far as Ideaspring is concerned? We have a lot of accelerator programs, we have a lot of funds out there. What will differentiate you? You spoke about also hand-holding startups in a long haul and ensuring that you partner with them in many ways.
Correct. I think incubators and accelerators are doing a fantastic job, but I believe in our fund, the differentiator is we'll be with them for 18 months, and typically incubators and accelerators don't stay for that long. And for a product company to be successful, I think that's the kind of timeline you're looking at. 12 to 18 months is minimum where you'll have to help them. And the difference in our fund is it's a very niche fund, very focused on product development, with IP being the key differentiator.
Startups really watching the show, any specific areas, sectors that you would be investing for them to ensure, they can come and pitch the right way to you.
Correct. So in terms of sectors, again, it's broad. It can be an enterprise product, health tech, or it can be in fintech, AR, VR, machine learning, deep learning. So those are the areas we're looking at. But if I have a message for the entrepreneurs, I'm saying, if you have a product innovation thought in your mind, and you have good team, and the market is good, and you're very passionate, come talk to us.
I'm sure the startups are listening. Lastly, product innovation, we haven't really done much enough. We haven't seen exits as well in this space. So, want to dig in a little deeper and know why, because you feel the enough is not being done as far as the product ecosystem in the country is concerned?
I think the number of startups was itself low, and I think we are learning about product innovation, and people compare to US. US is a 45, 50-year-old industry. We will get there, and that's one of the reasons why we are starting. People normally say that once you see something in the paper, it's already too late. So we consider our fund like a startup. So we want to be there, and we want to help enable startups to become successful. And hopefully through our fund, we'll see some exits.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.